Mike Tyson will not face criminal charges for apparently hitting a plane passenger. We rewatched the clip yesterday because Ryan, I guess, hadn't seen it. Actually, that was what we got copyright infringement for. It was 2 days ago.
2 days ago, yeah.
I think it was TMZ or something like that. Here we have a comment. Mo seems to play games on the job. How would he know about FIFA? Fire him.
No. He's not playing games. I got a close eye on Mo.
I'm actually not doing thumbnails. I'm just playing video games on my laptop.
Here we have another comment. The woman that created the Nike swoosh was paid $37, the biggest ripoff in history.
Is that a fact?
I don't know. Does it? I mean, I'm sure whenever the swoosh was made,
right, the company was not
there was
anything at that point.
nothing of value really
37
there.
might have been decent back then too, right? Like I don't know, maybe that's the
$37
equivalent of like 1,000 now.
Mm-hmm.
You just
You're
need
talking
a
inflation.
check mark.
It's a hell of a logo, though, isn't it?
It's good.
Yeah,
It's real good. Yeah.
It looks fast.
It just looks great. It's probably one of the best logos kicking around. Huh?
Like most recognizable.
Other than the golden arches.
Some people are backing up your FIFA conspiracy stuff, Mo. You're
They
right
are.
in the mix now. I think FIFA's coming for after the things you
Got
said.
it.
Mo was just like, I think FIFA is generally terrible the last couple of years in the treatment of others, including myself. And I'm like, Mo, how do you know this? He's like, just rumors.
No, I watched a YouTube video, so you can't
Well,
just
that's
like.
where everything starts.
yeah.
I watched a YouTube video.
Yeah.
Most shorten them. Eh?
Oh, that's what it's about. Isn't
Yeah,
it?
I'm shorting their stock, and I'm
EA?
using my influence.
Actually, yeah, I guess EA would benefit in this case for severing ties.
That's what I'm saying. I think that they're taking a step
So
back.
then you wouldn't be shorting EA. You would think it was a good move for EA.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Well, anyway. Never mind. You know, one day we're going to have Mo's ticker at the bottom, which is going to just be all of
My
his
holdings.
All of his holdings.
And it's all red, dude.
And it's
It's,
just gonna be-
all red
Yeah,
right
stuff
now.
is rough, isn't it?
Yeah, everything's rough right
rough
now.
stuff. You
Rough
might call
stuff,
it. You might call it rough stuff. What's going on in the crypto? Same idea.
I think so.
I
haven't
Willie
been
Doo
really
perked
checking.
up on that
Yeah.
one. Who said crypto?
I heard Bitcoin dropped under 31.
Yeah.
That's huge.
Yeah. Well, anyway, listen. I'm not trying to rain on anyone's parade. We're in this for 5 years anyway, Mo.
Yeah, I'm buying a farm.
You know how this goes. 5 year plans here.
Yeah.
No 5-minute plans around here. 5-year plans around here. 15-year plans around here.
Long
50-year
term.
plans around here. No 5-minute plans around here.
Okay.
Yep.
No charges for Mike Tyson. Let's find out why. Mike Tyson will not face criminal charges over an incident caught in video last month that appeared to show the former heavyweight boxer hitting another plane passenger multiple times. Yeah, we saw that. The guy was kind of harassing him, I think it's fair to say. It is simply a case that does not belong in the criminal court. If they want to sue each other, that's their business. Well, don't give him any ideas. Don't give
Oh, he's
people any ideas.
he's had this idea.
The suing, really? The video published by TMZ does not show the entirety of the incident. A water bottle was not visible in the footage. Townsend has denied throwing a water bottle at Tyson. His attorney previously said his client is a big Mike Tyson fan and alleged in a statement last month that Tyson became agitated by an overly excited fan and began to strike him. This situation could have been avoided simply by contacting a flight attendant. Our client denies throwing a water bottle prior to being struck by Mr. Tyson. I just don't. I mean, there's stuff missing in the clip, which always makes you question why is it cut this way? What am I missing? But I just have a hard time believing that Tyson randomly, after many years of being relatively calm, just decided to randomly start beating on whoever without some degree of provocation. But that's just speculation. You might even call it a rumor if you're Mo. But yeah, so there you go. The judge is saying it's nothing to do with my criminal court. And if you want to sue each other, sue each other. I don't know who's suing who. I guess you probably would have someone would sue someone, and then there'd be a counter
yeah.
situation, and they'd Johnny Depp, Amber Heard.
There you go.
That was for the algorithm.
Yeah.
This entire episode has been about
Just so we get surfaced.
Here's how you go to the top of everyone's suggestions.
All right. Say those two names.
No, it has to be right now. It has to be some kind of Amber Heard reaction.
Right.
Like there's one where she's wincing like this, and I can't get it out of my. I haven't clicked on. I haven't clicked on a single Amber Heard. You cannot defeat it. The algorithm.
It tells you what you want.
It's like everyone else wanted it.
Yeah. Why don't you?
You sure you don't? Well, see, that's the thing about the. Anyway,
Anyway.
they all loved it. Can you love it too?
Right.
You sure you can't love it? Don't look away from me, Mo. Well, it's like you're clenching your teeth. I do not have to look across there.
So angry.
The pointing.
Many of our test subjects loved this clip.
Right.
You're one of our test subjects.
Why don't you love it?
Even if you don't love it now, you'll eventually love it. Where is the agency in that? I don't even know. I don't even know, because when it's a story and it's drama and then you're invested and then you can't get out, or at least that's the effect it's had on some people. I mean, I can get out because I'm everywhere. I can't even be in front of that. People will be yelling at me. What the hell are you doing? I'm like, well, I'm catching up on Amber Heard's testimony.
You got places to be and
No,
things to do.
it's not happening for me. So maybe that's
This is your message to the algorithm. Stop giving me these recommendations.
honestly, the only way is to be unavailable.
Yeah.
Unavailable. Log on and use it the way you used to. Only look for the things that you know you want to watch.
Right.
Do you do the not
Steer clear.
interested
I'm gonna do some not interested,
Like the
Will.
survey.
or don't recommend this channel?
Yeah.
You should.
You know what I'm gonna do, Will?
Okay.
I'm gonna say I'm not interested. I got a crazy idea.
All right.
I'm gonna say I'm not. No,
That's my idea.
Listen, when you're already crunched for time, now I'm pruning and trimming for them? For them after everything.
After everything he says.
Yeah, I mean, watch what you want to watch, whatever you got to do. Some people, they want to get updates on this. I don't even know, what are we even talking about anymore with that? What are we even talking about anymore? You know, he said, she said.
Well, it's her half of the trial now.
Oh, okay.
It's, you know what it is?
Go ahead,
It's
Ryan.
water cooler talk where if you don't keep up and know what's going on, you're not part of the water cooler conversation.
Where are these water coolers?
I don't know. They have them though.
That's what I want to
They're
know.
out there.
We should get one in here.
Everyone always says water cooler talk.
We should talk
I
around
haven't
it.
seen a water cooler in 40 years. And I'm not even 40 years old.
No, get out of here.
Where are they?
You had one in the old studio that took the
No, that was
moisture
the
from the
that
air.
was the
and
fart
then-
water. That was the fart water.
What? What?
I drank that all the time.
What?
Oh my god. No, a real legit like Culligan
Oh,
water
and they come and
tank.
change it, and the guy comes.
No, normally you gotta do it.
That's a cool sound.
Yeah, I don't know, man. It's
Oh, hook it up. It's not a
you
big
want to
deal.
know
Make a
this
phone
entire
call.
place is a water cooler.
It is.
People are chatting all over the place.
Yeah.
Chat over there, chat over here, chat on the air, chat in the room. Take your dog to the bathroom with you. Have a chat. Go outside in the back, soak up some sun, have another chat.
Yeah. Somewhere in that we get work done.
Eating lunch? Why don't you chat about it?
Quick chat. Yeah.
Got a new item of clothing. Let's chat.
Well,
He
you
wears
want that
shoes
to
like
happen.
that.
Yeah.
Jeez, this guy.
Well, actually, that was the real test, right? If you clicked on it or not. That was the real life clickbait.
Right. I
And
think it's a little unfair.
You guys clicked away. No,
Right.
listen. I think when something subtle changes and you notice, that's like, attention to detail.
Okay.
When something enormous changes, you don't give in.
You just let it be.
You don't give in. The other person's
Okay.
like, hey man, didn't you see my big change? Don't you see my
If
changing?
I come here without a beard one day,
Don't you see my changing?
what do you say?
Nothing.
Wow.
Nothing.
Wow.
Not a
I'm
word.
going to test this.
Not a word. I promise you that. But you come in here with a graphic tee.
Yeah. We're talking about it. There's a clip for it.
You're not getting away with that. It's got to be major.